Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to allow important calls or messages to bypass Do Not Disturb on your Google Pixel, and how to turn that option off when you don't need it. If you want calls or texts from your family or starred contact to still ring, open Settings on your device, then tap Modes. Next tap Do Not Disturb. Under the notification filters, tap People to enable Do Not Disturb. Now, choose Calls or Messages and select Start Contacts or Contacts. To disable Do Not Disturb, set these options to None. Now, come back to Do Not Disturb page, then tap Apps and tap the gear icon beside the selected apps. Then tap Add Apps and select the app you want to ignore. To disable it, simply remove the app from this same list. And that's how you enable or disable Do Not Disturb bypass on your Google Pixel. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Pixel tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching!